take off my scarf or take my hair down, depending on how I wore my hair that day. And then I try to get it prepped for me to oil my scalp or just moisturize it. So I always try to do my hair in sections. So I get a hair tie and I make sure that it's one that doesn't have like the middle band around it. I try to get one of these that kind of has like the band around it. It doesn't pull your hair out at all. So then we'll just take a look at some of the oils that I picked up, and I'll let you kind of get an idea about which ones I use. And you could just take a look at these real quick, and then I'll explain about why it's good to do hot oil treatments and why it's good to make sure that your hair is oiled and moisturized during the colder months of the year. Okay guys, who doesn't love a good peppermint oil? Look at this. Makes hair stronger and cleanses the scalp, and it helps improve memory and mental alertness. Okay, so yeah, moisturizing oil for hair, scalp, and body. So since our hair is more prone to breakage and tangles during the colder months, I'm just going to give you a few tips or just a little bit of information on why we want to do the hot oil treatments. And so it increases the blood circulation, and it also stimulates blood flow to your scalp. We all want shiny hair, so this also helps in making your hair strands shiny, and it makes them softer. It prevents and helps dry, damaged hair. So even if you have dry hair or damaged hair already, you can kind of like reverse the process, and this will help strengthen those strands. And so therefore it'll help that damaged part. It promotes hair growth as well. So I mean, we all are in this to have healthy hair, not just long hair. So we want to make sure it's healthy as it's growing, and it heals dry scalps, and it helps with dandruff and also frizziness. And I know frizziness can happen a lot during the colder months as well. It helps to maintain moisture, and it strengthens your hair along with that. So I just feel like these are a few tips that as curly girls we need to know. So even if you are not new to natural hair, I still feel like sometimes you need to be reminded that those things are important to us as we're on our hair journey. So here I'm just showing you that each oil has different information on the back. It tells you what oil does for your hair and what it does for your skin, because you can use this on your body as well. So if you like to use oils instead of lotions, then this will also be a good idea too. I'm not going to go through each one of them here. I don't want to do too much talking, but if you would like me to list some of the benefits for each oil that you do see here, then let me know, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. But see you later.